Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture series of digital and social media marketing. Today's topic is trends that are driving digital marketing. In this video, I'll be telling about introduction to digital marketing and after that trends shift from traditional marketing to digital marketing practices. Let us begin. First, let me tell you once again what is digital marketing. So, digital marketing, this is the combination of two words, digital plus marketing. Doing marketing with the help of some digital devices, something. So, how can you explain it? Digital marketing, it is the marketing of products or services with the help of digital technologies, mainly on internet, but it also includes mobile phones, display advertisement, and any other digital medium, right? So here you can see if you are having some product or services you need to offer, then with the help of the digital devices, digital marketing can be done. As you are aware that in the previous video also I've discussed about the development of digital marketing starting from 1990 till 2000, and the process of digital marketing, it has changed a lot. The way the brand and businesses are using technologies for marketing, it's a huge difference. Means as digital platforms are increasingly incorporated into the marketing plans and people are using digital devices instead of visiting physical shops, digital marketing campaigns are become very much powerful and efficient. And you must be aware about the various types of digital marketings. Some of the methods are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, campaign marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing. So there are various types of digital marketing. But in fact, digital marketing now extends to non-internet channels also. Means by using mobile phones to send SMS, MMS, sometimes callback facility or on hold mobile ringtones. So these are all the types of the marketing. There are 5 Ds of digital marketing. As you can see in this diagram, these Ds are digital devices, digital platform, digital media, digital data, and digital technology. Let me give you a brief one by one. If we talk about the digital devices, means digital services can be accessed on digital devices. You can name various devices, computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and with the intervention of more and more technologies, nowadays smart TVs, watches, gaming devices are available. Second is digital platforms. You are aware with some of the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and many more like that. And these are very popular because majority of the digital users nowadays, they are having at least one account on any of these platforms. So with the help of these platforms, digital marketing can be done efficiently. Third is the digital media. It means how well you are connected with the target audience in any selected platform. It means it can bring a significant increase for potential customers because with the help of digital media, more audience are going to hear about your brand, your services, or what they are going to receive or what the offers are available. Fourth D is related to the digital data. Digital data means it contains all necessary and relevant information about your potential customers, which can be used to encourage the customers to purchase the products, to take the services. And sometimes the data related to the profile information is also available, but that will be not shared in a public domain. That is like the private policy. And fifth D is related to the digital technology. Means the digital marketing component, you can understand it as a cherry on the top. It means which can further make the target consumers interested in what you are going to offer. It means if you can use in-store kiosk and where you are going to display some advertisement about your brand. So that is what to get the attention. With the help of the technology, you can encourage the audience to select that particular product or brand. Now, let us talk about the trend shift. why we are moving from traditional marketing to the digital marketing. So first very important point is converting the marketing to sales. How this marketing can be converted? See, if you talk about the traditional marketing, then traditional marketing takes the product or services to the mass number of audience, but converting them to purchase it or converting them to achieve, that is another like challenge. But with the help of digital marketing, just a click on the advertisement takes the customer to the concerned website where the customer can buy the product. And sometimes you must also observing that online stores like Amazon and eBay, they are also using, still they are using some traditional ads to complement their online marketing strategy. This is because why it is important that age old marketing methods which we used by doing marketing with the help of television, radio advertisement, they are still effective for any product. In this case, website to millions of the people. That is why traditional ad along with the online marketing that converts the marketing to the sales. Second point is interaction with customer. So interaction with customer means marketing any product online that facilitates the customer to interact with the business. Means customer can see the requirement, they see the features, and after purchasing any equipment, after availing the services, the customer can write down their feedback also, right? That is why it provides more interaction with the customers. As and you can also get the idea about your target audience, how they are getting aware about your product, what they think about your product. And in this particular way, the customers are very well connected and their experience is going to be help in future. Third important point is cost friendly. You must be aware and you have to understand that digital marketing reduce the cost of marketing, right? Because there is no use of any printing pamphlets or something or giving advertisement in the newspaper, right? So it is very cost friendly in that particular term. In another aspect, you are aware that whenever you have to buy anything, you are very smart nowadays, because you used to research on that particular product or service, and you used to compare the price before you are going to purchase that particular product, or you go to the store to buy that particular product. Means you have done a lot of research. If you want to like see the websites, how the product or services are going to reach to the customer, it means that particular website must be SEO oriented, search engine optimization oriented. Then only if the users are going to search anything, that will come on the top of the search items. Next point is targeted reach. Targeted reach means to provide the services to that person or to that audience who is actually willing to take, who is actually going to impact it. What happens in the case of the traditional marketing? Doing marketing with the help of advertisements on television, radio, newspapers, major part can be covered, right? If that is being given in the entire whole city, the overall city, the persons who are reading the newspaper, watching the television, they will be aware about it. But it doesn't impact on the product sale, product purchase, right? It means in such a way we are losing the money. In that particular case, digital media helps a lot with, depending upon the required number of audience, depending upon the geographical coverage, depending upon the age group, accordingly the marketing can be done. And in this particular way, our product or services can reach to the intended audience. And last important point is fair play. See, with the help of the digital marketing, and we are aware that digital marketing is on rise these days, even the small businesses, they also get a chance to put their like products for the marketing, right? With the help of the digital marketing, while it is very difficult for those small businesses to do the marketing in a traditional manner. So what happened, what they need to do, just they need to develop a website with a fast response time and quality content. And what you are also willing to do as an organization, you need what is the statistics so that you can build your strategy for future. That is a fair play in the case of the digital marketing, because with the help of the digital marketing, advertisements are reaching immediately and their conversion into the purchase can also be tracked. That particular statistics can also be monitored. So these are the 5 important factors via which you can explain why there is a shift from traditional marketing to the digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video.